Welcome to Rob Talks. Thank you for supporting our channel. Here's the translation from the Mayan calendar for August 9th, 2025. If you're enjoying these translations, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now let's look at what all three Mayan calendars have to say. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 12 Tun, 13 Yuenel, and the 7 Kin. Today the long count opens a gateway to higher insight. 7 is the number of inner balance. It mirrors back to us what we've internalized and offers clarity through self-honesty. Combined with the energy of today's Lamat in the Tzolk'in calendar, this is a day for recognizing inner beauty, balance, and potential. The 7 Kin represents that it's a day of reflection and spiritual alignment. Today, you're being asked to focus on patterns repeating in your life and ask, what are they reflecting? Also, now is the time to seek quiet so that you can notice the subtle answers that are forming in your intuition. Now let's explore what the Tzolk'in calendar has to say. Today's date is 8 Lamat. Lamat is represented by the star, Venus, abundance, and harmony. It's symbolized by light, fertility, and the perfection of cycles. It's about illumination, beauty, productivity, the harvest of efforts. This is a day to reclaim your radiance and align with abundance. The number 8 is about justice, harmony, and balance being restored. It's a symbol of the mirror and cosmic reflection. It's also a sacred number that brings equilibrium and manifestation. 8 Lamat invites you to radiate. You are a star being filled with potential and luminous clarity. This is a powerful day for aligning your internal light with your external actions. This is not the day to dim your beauty, rather amplify it with integrity and let joy be your direction. This is the time when you've earned your harvest. Now just receive it. You're being asked to express gratitude for what you've cultivated and to share something you love with others. Today's creativity is contagious, so share thoughts, ideas, desires. This is the time to let your light flow through your body. Now let's move on to the Hob calendar. Today's Hob date is 8 Muwan. Muwan is represented by the owl, storm, fire, and rain. Its symbolism is elemental wisdom, sacred weather, and sudden clarity. It's about transformation through contrast, and its message to you is that your intuition awakens through intensity. The number 8 is about balance through active efforts. It's a call to align spirit with actions and a time of recalibrating to your purpose. Muwan reminds you that the most luminous truths are often revealed in storms. Don't be afraid of emotional intensity today. This is the time to feel it, channel it, and then alchemize it into purpose. The sacred weather of your spirit is here to guide, not harm you. Remember, there's fire in your clarity, so use it wisely. This is a day to do breathwork or meditation to transmute emotions. You're being asked to trust sudden insights as they come bearing truth. This is the time to hydrate well and to reconnect with what fuels your drive. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Today is a day of radiant awakening. With 8 Lamat illuminating the sky and Muwan stirring sacred storms, the energy calls for bold inner clarity and outer grace. You are both the seed and the star. What you plant with truth will grow with beauty. So this is a day to be the mirror of your light. The overall themes of today's calendar are radiant reflection, sacred storms as revelations, truth manifesting into beauty and claiming your joy as power. Today you're being asked to wear something that makes you feel radiant and grounded, and to take a creative action that is aligned with your deeper truth. This is also the time to witness your emotional waves and let them guide, not override you. Remember, this is a day to shine in integrity and love. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars. I embody divine abundance, shining the light of my truth, beauty, and integrity. Thank you for your support.